Hello everyone, welcome back to Clinical R Insights. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create clean RTF listing using r2rtf package. Today I will be using ADLB dataset from pharmaverseadam for the creation of abnormal biochemistry values listing. So yeah, this is very common requirement in our clinical trial reporting, especially for the safety output. So yeah, let's start. Let's jump to RStudio so that we can start our coding. So this is my RStudio screen. Hope you can see my screen. First, before starting the coding, I want to show you the mock shell, what we want to create. So this is our mock shell. In this, this is our title, abnormal biochemistry value. This is our subtitle, anything, and this is date we want in the corner, and first column, use subject ID. Second, test is for like parameters. Visit, e-visit, we want in this column. And this is normal range, low and high. Like it's like we need to concatenate these two, like lower analysis limit and the higher analysis limit. For date and time measurement of the measurement, we need to use ADT as a variable. And for result, aval, we will use aval variable, and for flag analysis indicator, we will choose to show this column. So yeah, let's start. Yeah, this is first for cleaning the environment. No, my the today environment is already clean, but it's good habit to write in the starting. Yeah, done. Load all the necessary package. I already installed, so no need of installing again. Just write library pharmaverse package, pharmaverse Adam package I will be using for today's creation, like ADLB I will use from this library. I need deployer for this. So next I want r2rtf, very strong package for the creation of RTF file. So yeah, we can use this. You can download from PAN. It's openly available. So yeah. So now we need ADLB data from pharmaverseadam package. Data ADLB. It's a very big data set. It's still, I think, loading. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, it has 83,652 observation and 115 variable. It's a very heavy and a very big data. It should be because it has all the tests, all the parameters like for hematology and chemistry, all the tests like albumin, alkaline phosphatase, and all other. So yeah, definitely. But today is our task is to calculate the abnormal chemistry value, biochemistry value only. We will not using hematology data, only the chemistry data we will use, and we will calculate only normal chemistry value. So yeah, as our title said, this is abnormal biochemistry value. First, we need to filter the only chemistry record. As I said, we will use only biochemistry value. So yeah, let's start. For that, we need deploy package. So I'm creating one more data frame ADLB underscore one and oops, ADLB. I'm using filter function from deployer. In that, uh, we can write name here. It will be easy to copy paste, right? Names from ADLB because it's a case sensitive. So yeah, we need to write exact. So parquet one. This is parquet one, right? Yeah, parquet one, as you can see in this. So I am talking about this variable. say Adam variable from BDS type of structure. So yeah, this one. We need only this record. I can copy this as well. So filter parquet 1 should be equal to only chemistry. Yeah, I'm filtering this only. Look, now it's showing 83,652 records. But when I apply this, it is showing 45,158 observation. But we have to apply one more filter because we want only abnormal value. We have normal and abnormal value both in this dataset. Okay, we can go to ADLB underscore 1. We can open this, close this one. This is our new dataset after filter. So I want to show you one variable, indicator variable, analysis range indicator variable. Let's see where it is. Yeah, this is this variable we will use for filtering our records. Analysis reference range indicator showing normal and somewhere high and low. We want to consider only low and high. We don't want normal range. So for that, what we have to use filter. We need to apply and over this. We need to apply and I don't know. Yeah, so we can apply and next filter. Not, not. So analysis range indicator. This is our variable. So yeah, this should not be in combined operator, but we don't want any missing value because we have a lot of missing value in this, and we don't want any normal value. Like you can see, we have NAs as well. Like we can show you. Let's see, so many records, but yeah, we have some missing value in this. So we don't want those missing value in the normal observation value. So we can write, we can apply filter. Yeah. Now you can see only 2132 observation because we applied filter because most of the values are normal, but we are working with the normal values. So next, we need to arrange our data. For that, we need to apply arrange function from deploy. Arrange from deploy. What we want to how from which variable we want to arrange. We need use subject ID, our default sorting variable. So yeah, use subject ID, and then for here param n numeric parameter variable. So this is our numeric variable. Next, we want to sort with date. Let's write ADT analysis date. So yeah, we can arrange our data. Done. Next, we want to select what we want to select. Only those variables that we want to work on. Select. Okay, but we want to select. I want to show you. We want the subject ID. Okay, one variable. Then test for param, all the parameters, right? Visit. We want to e-visit as a variable. 3 variable. 4 is we need to concatenate all these, right? And 4 and 5 we need date. 6, 7. We need 7 variable. Just 7 variable. No need of taking all the 115 variable. No need to work on. But we want to first we have these two variables. I want to show you. Okay. Analysis lower limit. Is this variable? It should be here. Okay. These two. Analysis normal range lower limit and analysis normal range upper limit. In our mock shell, we need to concatenate. We need to concatenate these two with the hyphen in between, right? For that, but we need to mutate. After filtering, we need to mutate a new variable. Let's say lower range and higher. Lower limit, higher limit, and we need to concatenate. So we need paste zero function. In paste zero function, but we need lower limit variable. Yeah, this one. Analysis lower limit. In between we need hyphen and other variable is analysis normal range higher limit. So this is our mutate function. Now select. First we want the subject ID. Okay, selected. Second we want parameter param. Okay, param selected. Now third we want visit. So where is the a visit? This one. This is a visit. Okay, we selected. Then we want, but the other variable we want visit and this newly created variable l underscore h. Okay, this is also done. Then ADT. Okay. Then we want aval for result. Then we want indicator ANRIND. Done. We just run this. Yeah, this is our final data frame that we need for our RTF creation. It has around 2132 observation and the 7 variables. Okay, only 7 variables that we really want in our output. So it's easy to handle now because previously we had like 115 variables. That's tough to. Okay, now let's start creating RTF listing. For that we need our strong package r2rtf. Very good package tool for the creation of RTF files. Okay, for that, so yeah, this is our input data for our output like RTF file. So we use ADLB underscore 1, our input data for RTF file. We will connect this data to RTF file with our type symbol. Now, first function. First, we want to set our page, right? This this is our page layout. This is almost like landscape, right? We don't want any. Yeah, we want this border as a single and this border as a single. So yeah, slowly we will do all the manipulation in our listing. Okay. First, RTF underscore. Um, First, what we can do, we can just create ODA. Just I'm thinking. Okay, let's go with step by step, like with the first with the page. Page. Okay, yeah, this is our page. First, orientation. Okay. In orientation, we want our output to be in landscape. Okay. This is our landscape output, wide format, right? Next, for page layout, we want our border underscore first. This one. This is the argument in RTF underscore page. We want single line. We don't want any double lining. If you want, there is more option, dashed line, double line, so many other options are there. So we want just single line. You can see there is no any double line or dash line. So it's this is the border we want, right? single line. This is after every page in the every starting, right? So yeah, single. And last, this one is also single line, right? No double line, no dash line. So for that we need to write order. If you want to learn R2RTF package in detail, please comment below. I will make one video for R2RTF package, each and every function, each and every step. So yeah, I can make that video. If you really want to learn that, please comment below. Order underscore, because it's very good practice to creation of RTF files for table and listing. So yeah, last we want in a single, right? Yeah, we want single. So yeah, and there is one option. How many observation you want in your first page? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many observation you want in your output, right? So n row. How many rows you want to display for the first row per page? Let's say 20. Let's first go for 20. If you want 15, you can change according to your need. Okay. This much layout is done for the RTF underscore page. Next layer. Again, pipe symbol and RTF underscore title. Let's deal with title. This is our title, right? Yeah. This is our title. Abnormal biochemistry values. We will do manipulation in this. Okay. This is our title, right? The I title. Um, ab- abnormal bio biochemistry in practice. Okay, and then we want title should be in center. For that, we need text underscore justification. It's not, it's showing. It should be in center. So just write C. We want in a center. Okay, justification done. Then again type symbol. Title work done. We want this, and even you can select the font size. You can write like if you want bold, you want to change the font size. There's so many options in the RTF title. So many arguments are there for this option RTF underscore title. So you can use that if that is your requirement. So yeah. Next is RTF. Now we are dealing with page header. Now we are dealing with page header. Wait, I want to show you. Yeah, this we are dealing with this. This is our, you can say that subtitle or something. So yeah, now we are dealing with this. For that we need, yeah, RTF underscore page header. This is our option to create that. Okay, for that I can write text. Again, there is so many options for this. So yeah, you can explore more. I'm using some. If you want, I can create one more video for detailed explanation of this. If you want, you can comment. Okay, now let's say I want protocol. Okay, just this I want. Okay, and in the next line slash n, I want something like something anything, right? And in the right corner, I want date. For that, I'm writing, and in any format you can write, right? Format system date, your current system date I'm using. You can use any date. For now, I'm using my current system date. System date, okay. And in which format I want? I want okay, percent %d, okay, and then percent %b, and percent caps 5. Okay. In this format I want, but it should be in quotation because this is format. Yeah, done. Text done. For these two things done, this and this. Okay. Okay, now what next? Yeah, okay, we can adjust the justification. Okay, we want on the left side that this I want on the left side and this I want on the right side. So we can do that. Oops, comma. Yeah, text underscore justification. For this one, I want to be in the left side. For that, just like L. And for this, I want to be in the right side. Done. Page RTF underscore page header done. So next, now we want to deal with this header part. This one we want, right? For that, we want for the creation of header, we need option RTF underscore call header because we are creating header for the RTF file. So yeah, okay. First like column is subject number, but subject on the top and number below. Okay, so for that we need to write capital S subject and number. This is our first column. Then type symbol. For second column, we want test, right? Okay, type symbol. As a third is visit. Okay, visit. Okay. Oops, not progress. Okay, done. Next is what next? I think range. Okay, normal range, low, high in the next line. Okay, normal range. Next line. For next line, we always use slash and n. So yeah, low, hyphen, high. Okay, then again pipe symbol. Next is date. It should be date slash time of measurement. Okay, date. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. We can write in any format. Date slash time of in the next line. In the next line, for next line, we need n and measurement. Okay, we can go to the next line. That's okay. It's going. Next is results. Done. Next is flag. Final. So these are our header names. Subject, all these we did. Done. This done. Okay. So next is look at this. Do we have any lines here? No, right? So but by default it will show you a line. Now we want to remove that line. Okay, for that there is one more option in this border underscore left. We don't want any border, right? So just write null, right? And for as we did for left, now we want for right, same option, right? It's showing auto suggestion. So we don't want any right now, like we don't want any right borderline, right? There is no borderline here and here, so we are removing these two borderline. Okay, next. Okay, now we want to give width. So we want to give width to this, like how much width we want to give. Okay, this is bigger, so we want to give little more space to this. We want to give less space to this. So accordingly, we can adjust our column width. Okay, so for that we need another option, that is call underscore related width, column related width. For that we can use combined operator. For first column, use subject ID is always bigger, so we have to give little bigger space to that. Okay, I'm giving 4. There is no limit, you can give more as well. So yeah, and for other column I'm just giving 3. We have total column of, for this I am giving 4, right? Other like other we have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 column we have remaining, right? For that I'm using one function wrap. You can write by your own as well. I'm just using wrap for avoid repetitive work. You can write okay 3 3 3 3 3 3. So I'm just want to give 3 to every column, 3 width to every column. That's why I'm using wrap function. Otherwise you can directly write okay 3 to this, 1 to this, 4 to this. You can write that according to your need. Okay, this is done. Call now. This part is done. We give name, we give width, and we remove all the extra lines from this. Yeah, this is done now. What else we can do? Now come to the body part. This is our body. This is called header, and this is our body. Now we have to work on this. We have to apply the same width to this. Otherwise, you applied only to the this subject number part, not to the this lower one. We have to provide the same width for this. Otherwise, it will disorient. Like subject number is coming here, but your subject ID is going somewhere else. So yeah, we have to provide the same width to the header as well as to the body. For that, we need to connect with chain. Now, RTF underscore body. This is our next option. Okay, similar. We removed our border from this much part. From this much. We remove this much part of border left and right. We remove that. We don't want even in the body, right? This is blank. We don't have any border here, right? We don't want. We have to apply the same thing as we apply to the call header to our body. Just copy and paste here. Done. Okay, if we remove the column, I already told you, we have to provide the same call width as well. Otherwise, it will not come or in a proper orientation. So Control C, just copy. Similar, same width you have to provide. If you are giving 4 here, you have to give 4. But it should be 6 because you have 6 remaining column. So yeah, it should be 6, but you can provide 2, you can provide 4, any width. This is width and this is column number. So yeah, we are giving 3 width to each and every column, that is 6. Okay, done. Body part is done. Now, this 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 done, everything is done. Yeah, body part is also done. Okay, now come to encoding. Sorry, I have to not. Yeah, I want to connect again. Okay, RTF underscore encoding. Encode. No need of giving anything. Just leave it blank. If you are creating listing, no need of. This we need when we are converting our figures to RTF files. Then we need to provide some code encodings here when we are changing figure to RTF file. But for listing and table, no need of providing any encode here. So just leave it blank. So no need of giving the encoding. Next, we want to take this output as a RTF. We need to write RTF, right? Underscore RTF option for taking out this object, this thing out of this R environment to a folder. For that, we have to give name, give assigning it. We have to assign some object to this thing, this complete thing. To that, so that we can provide to write underscore RTF. RTF. Let's say I'm giving any name you can give object. I'm assigning one object to this RTF creation. So, okay, I'm just copying and providing to this option, this function, write underscore RTF I'm giving, and I'm providing some path. Okay, I'm giving my C drive path to this. It should be double slash, and we have to give name to this output. Let's say I'm giving L underscore y, just any name you can give, dot RTF file, the file extension we have to provide. Now, yeah, this is the way we can convert our this object to RTF output in our folder, so that we can use that for some any purpose, like for submission and all. So just run complete thing altogether. Hope it will run. Yeah, it will take little time to convert because it's a so many records. So yeah, so now go to, yeah, this is our output in a Word file or RTF file. Yeah, so this is our title of our listing. This is our subtitles, or you can say page header, and this is the date we provided with format. This is our all the column that we gave: your subject ID, visit, parameter visit, that the new variable we created, low underscore high, so low hyphen high, date, time of the measurement. This is our result for, that means aval, and this is our indicator flag. So this is output. This is single line, no line from outside. So this is a very clean listing we created, and almost 20 observation on every page that we provided and row in our RTF underscore page option. So yeah, you can see that it's a very clean and good output. So yeah, with R2RTF package, you have so many other options. You can explore that package. So yeah, that's it. We have successfully created a clean formatted listing for abnormal biochemistry value with the R2RTF package. If you found this video as very helpful, so please like my video, subscribe my channel to Clinical R Insights, and share it with your friends who are learning clinical programming. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.